In this video, I will show you how to change your ClassPass plan. Open the app or in my case, the website. On the upper right corner of your screen, click on the banner showing your credits. You will be taken to your account page. Here you will see your current plan and how many credits you have left. Click Manage Plan to view all the available options. You can pick from plans like 8 credits for 890 Philippine pesos per month, 16 credits for 1,690 Philippine pesos per month, 47 credits for 4,490 Philippine pesos per month, or 59 credits for 5,590 Philippine pesos per month. Once you've decided, simply click Select this plan below your choice. Your new plan will take effect on your next billing cycle, so you can start enjoying your updated credits then. And that's how to change your ClassPass plan.